Komisi Bentah Menrakhe Kelungkuk Sengikha Basi Sepaksan Pawai Jungkupa Kejat Benriau O Mohandas Karamchan Gandhi Neu Mahatma Gandhi. Haga Sintok Adiang Jengkatayo Lepelipat Ba Yaga Custom Hiring Center Haga Shnong Kyiem Kabadan Hamau Plang. Ban Ailat Ikinong Rep Bakin Penon Kami Kitiar Kitar Haga Kamrep Jongki. Ya kini ke Custom Hiring Center lepelipat ba do Menteri Rangbah Kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat kejengran lang UMLA Kamau Plang uba SK Sun ka Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills Ikong Isa Wanda lalu u Commissioner bat Secretary Ketenat Planning u Dr. D. Vijay Kumar ki dikot bat kinong kitkam jo Shnong Kyiem bat kiwe-kiwe. Ya kini ke Custom Hiring Center lebih tingkah langba ke Meghalaya Livelihood and Access to Market Projects jong ke Meghalaya Basin Development Authority bat lengba kini ke center. Kinong rep kila ban shimwai ki tiar rep kat kum gejing dan kam jengki kum ki power tiller ki rotary tiller ki foot sprayer bat kiwe na ke benta ban pendan kam haka kamram. U Menteri Rangbah ulasa meru ya ki shaula ki bam pen mi tedem syaki long yeng ki baduna ke yok kokot. Bat igini shaula lasna bat penwandur da ki engineer jo ketenat soil and water conservation. U Konrad Kongkal Sangma haba kerana kejingelang ulo ong bak sorkar kelashim kia haka ban kentiau ya ke yok kokot jeng kinong rep leng ba kilat ke babun. Ulo ong bakani ka Custom Hiring Center kadai ke banding kong ha ka jela bat ka jingdon jo kani ka niarap ban kentiau ka kamrep bat ban kentiau ru ka kamai ka ji je kinong rep. U Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulo ong bada ka jingdon kitiar kitar bapher kan pensuk ikinong rep ha ka kamrep jongki kamtam ikilong kemie bat ikito ki balando karta.
Double the farmers' income. Now to do that, there are two ways. First way is to increase the productivity of the farmers. Increase the overall production by increasing the areas under which the production takes place, or overall improve the efficiency so that more production can take place from the same land. So this particular intervention that MBDA is doing under the Meghalaya project is precisely that. How can we increase the land under irrigation? How can we ensure that the land that is being utilized for farming and agriculture produce can become more efficient so that more productivity can come out? So whatever we are doing right now, and the purpose of us being here and this Meghalaya project is to precisely do that. And when we talk about these things, technology plays an important role. Now when I say technology, I don't mean mobile phone and computer technology, but simple agriculture technology and technical intervention. The same work that takes 10 days to do to plow a land, a power pit tiller can do it in an hour or 2 hours or 4 or just a day. Now, if these kind of technical interventions can be done, we'll be able to improve the productivity of the farmers.